Oh, ChoroQ collectors, seems weird that you would find a GT40 in a lost barn or field, but it happens. And so ChoroQ has this line of things called Old Garage, and I've collected a couple of these old garage cars, and I saw this locally. It wasn't too expensive, so I decided to pick it up. So this one here is looks like a Gulf livery, kind of, sort of. Although it's not blue, it has the Gulf stripe on it, but the base car looks like it's orange, or I guess some sort of orange or pink, and then they sprayed a bunch of orange on top of it to make it look dirty somehow. Although one thing's dirtiness is brown. Anyways, there's a lot of like weird rusting marks and stuff around the panel, gaps and edges. There's a little fuel filler thing there. That's pretty neat. Sorry, where's my dental pick? And then the separate scoops back here, separate piece of plastic. There's actually black in the scoops themselves. For sale, great heritage. It says GT40 there, so that's pretty neat. And then the silver for the fog lights here is actually pretty nicely done. There's black in these recesses for the vents. And the headlights themselves are pretty good because there's actually a printed on headlight. And it looks a little bit rough, but I guess that might be on purpose. There's a little bit of a recess here for the radiator vent, and then a little NACA duct here and here. Side vents have a little black in them. Number 6. Some old looking wheels. They're blanked off, but I think they're shot silver first and then brown on top, and then ChoroQ also has these old looking tires on purpose. So they look like they're pitted old tires. Interesting. Some taillight action here. This is actually recessed a little bit. Same with these vents here. There's the series. And I guess that's it. Well, the window also has a sliding part here molded in. A little recess for the vents up here. And this thing came out in 2008, this toy. Standard construction. I'm going to leave this alone. Good stance. The wheels are specific to a GT40, so let's take a look at some other of these old garage cars. So I got this one, and this is far more realistic, which is weird to say about a cartoon car, but you can tell that's a Gulf livery, right? It's a little more blue, and it's really strange that they would choose this base color. I think yellow would have made more sense or something, or whatever. Then I do have 2 normal road cars. So this one I painted the wheels orange and black to make them look a little bit better. This one I just painted the wheels black in the openings. You'll notice this yellow one doesn't have those scoops. It's actually a different GT40. It just has this silver plate on the back. This one's from the Route 66 collection. This one is, doesn't say, it just says HG and 03 and Ford on the back. Maybe it's like a dealer model or something. Alright. And then, let's see, from the old garage series we have this old Ford Mustang. That thing's pretty cool. That one's actually a metallic paint job. And then we also have this Thunderbird, although this one's paint is not to my liking. If I ever find another one with a better paint job, I'll pick it up. So that is it. I got a bunch of Ford GT40s and some old rusty looking barn find vehicles. So it's a unique take on a toy car. Although actually the scale ones, like, what is it, Auto World does some stuff like this, right, where they look old. Alright, let's get Obi-Wan out here because he likes the sand. He's an old dude. Alright, so interesting, I guess. It's not as good as the other one, but these things are so small that I'm willing to collect duplicates of the same casting if they're cheap enough again. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.